In a small village nestled between rolling hills and whispering pines, there lived a wise elder named Master Wei. His eyes, weathered by the passage of countless seasons, held the quiet knowledge that comes from a life well lived. The villagers sought his counsel, not only for the eloquence of his words, but for the profound wisdom that resided in his silences. One day, a young man named Li, eager to unravel the mysteries of life, approached Master Wei with a torrent of questions. Li's mind, like a tempest, echoed with the clamor of uncertainties, and he sought solace in the elder's insights. Master Wei welcomed Li with a serene nod and invited him to sit in the tranquil garden behind his humble abode. The air was scented with blossoms, and the gentle rustle of leaves provided a backdrop to the silence that enveloped them. Li, unable to contain his curiosity, began firing questions at Master Wei like arrows seeking a target. The elder, however, responded with a tranquil smile, letting the questions hang in the air, unanswered. As the sun traced its journey across the sky, Li's barrage of questions gradually ceased. In the silence that followed, a shift occurred. Master Wei, without uttering a single word, began to convey life's profound lessons through the stillness that enveloped them. Lesson 1. Embrace the silence within. Master Wei pointed to a tranquil pond where the water mirrored the cloudless sky. Li, the mind is like this pond. Only when the ripples of thought settle can it reflect the true essence of life. Embrace the silence within, and clarity will emerge. Lesson 2. Listen to the symphony of life in the garden. The wind played a gentle melody through the leaves, and birds added their notes to the symphony. Master Wei gestured to the natural orchestra. Life speaks in the language of silence. Listen not just with your ears but with your heart. The profound lessons of existence are whispered in the quiet spaces. Lesson 3. Let silence speak in relationships. Master Wei, observing the harmony of the garden's flora, turned to Li. In relationships, learn the art of silent understanding. Words can be like storms, but silence is the gentle rain that nurtures the bonds between hearts. Sometimes, love is best expressed in the quietude of presence. Lesson 4. Find stillness amidst chaos. As the village bustled with its daily activities, Master Wei led Li to a spot overlooking the village square. Life is a bustling marketplace, but within the chaos, find the stillness. It is amidst the noise that the essence of your being, your true self, can be discovered. Lesson 5. The strength in compassionate silence. Master Wei, as the sun dipped below the horizon, shared another tale, this time of a compassionate bodhisattva. Li, silence isn't only about personal strength, it's also about understanding the power of compassionate silence. Sometimes the most profound way to connect with others is to offer a silent presence, a refuge, where their hearts can find solace without the need for words. If you enjoyed the story and you want to hear more, please consider liking and subscribing as it will help me a lot. Thank you.